Hi everyone, welcome. I'm DJ Repeat and thank you for sharing my first video with me. A lot has been going on the channel. I'm rebuilding my Roland DJ 505 right now as we speak. I have to say one thing that a lot of people don't say about that controller. That controller is flat out the best controller that you can learn on, begin on, become an intermediate on, hands down. That controller, you learn every function, every feature, roll, slip, slicer, you learn loop mode, you learn every feature Serato has to offer and every feature that the DJs are doing today. You learn it on that Roland DJ 505. Man, what a controller for the last 2 years, I can't say enough about it. Built-in drum machine, you get the 606, 707, 808, 909 drum machines. You got a built-in sequencer for your sample units. Absolutely, hands down, a great controller to start off with. So as you can see here, what we got in the lab from our boys at Denon DJ, we want to say thank you very much. This is the new Prime 4 series. I have to admit, I've been watching and reading, and amazing unit, and I can't wait to do the unboxing for you guys. That'll be the next video. I want to say thank you. Please hit that like button down below. Smash it, break it, blow it up. I don't care. Hit it. It's good for my algorithm. It's good for my unit. It's good for my channel. And also subscribe so you can get all the new stuff that's going on, man. I'm learning so much and I'm doing so much in this. It's been a great experience. I hope you can come along with me. Have a great day.